Have you ever think how you can load inside your project in Revit a real plan from the real maps with the real size, not just scaled picture or something else like that? Today I will show you how you can use the program, how you can use the open maps, and how you can export it inside to the Revit and using it like a tracing to your future projects. What type program you need? Actually, you need only one program. This is QGis. You can download it from their site. I will leave the link below this video. So this is totally free. You can use it. This is totally free for commercial, students, whatever. So use it and you will get every time the map for free. Okay, so but where we can get the map? So we have two ways. We can get it from QGis. And the second way, we can get it from the OpenStreetMap directly from the site. So I prefer actually the second way because sometimes QGIS it's really freezing when you're trying to download it someplace, and that's why I'm using the second way. It's nothing wrong, it's just two ways, choose whatever you want. But I will show you the second way. So the second way, you should go to the export OpenStreetMap, just type to the Google export OpenStreetMap and you will go to this site. So if you want, I will leave the link also below this video. So what we can do here, let's say this is Manchester and my future building will locate in some this place. And of course I need some boundaries of this place, right? Because I don't know the sizes. Of course I can make the picture, after that I can scale it in Revit and place my building, but it's not will be right. It's totally not will be right. That's why I'm using this way. So here we have the export and manually selected different area. So I will use this manually selected different area, and now we can say which area we want. Let's say we want this area and a bit the style for central and like this. Let's say this is really perfect. This is what we want. After that, let's export it, and you should save it somewhere. Don't try export too large. I mean like whole earth or whole the country, because it's impossible actually. Let's download it. I will save this file here under my desktop. I already have the some test topo, and let's call it like the map. Yeah, this is unique name, and let's leave it like XML document. Don't forget, this is XML document. Let's save it. Just a second, we already saved it, and now let's go back to the QGIS. So you should install it and you should already switch it on or whatever. So you should go inside your QGIS. Okay, so here is my again blank project, and let's go to upload some plugins, because without the plugins you cannot actually use the your OpenStreetMap properly. So how you can do that? Actually, it's again pretty easy. Go to the plugins, go to the manage and install the plugins. You will get this menu. This is really like Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, and you just should download the quick OSM. OSM, this means OpenStreetMap, so this is easy. You can download it also quick map service and OSM downloader. So you just need only three these plugins. You just write here OSM and you will find it here. Just click on that and you will see here the upload, because now I already have this plugin. You just install it and that's it. Okay, so when you will do that, if you will go after that to the vector, you will find here the quick OSM. So let's open up quick OSM. If you will see the window like this, it's okay, sometimes it's happen. What you're gonna do, just resize this window and everything will be alright. Okay, so but before I will do something here, let's load inside our map. Let's go to the web. Here we will find the quick map service, OSM, OpenStreetMap, and let's make OpenStreetMap. So let's find the Manchester here. And here is our Manchester. Let's a bit close up. So something like that. This is perfect. I will show you why I'm doing that. After that, let's go to the vector, OSM, quick OSM, again a bit resize. And now we will go to the OSM file. Let's go here and just select these three dots and find your new file. So test map topo, and you will find here the map OSM. Let's open up. After that, you should click here, open. Just wait for long, because all the lines now are converted to the vector. And as you can see, we already done. Here is our site already. Here is small our site. So I did the small size, that's why. Why I did the map underlay? Because I can see directly what's going on underlay and outside of these lines. Only for that things. Okay, let's switch off for now. This is layers, so if you are working in AutoCAD, you understand how it's working. And we will change now these first layers. Let's choose this first layers. Make sure your view style is here, layer styling. If it's not here, go to the view, go to the panels, and make sure this is like layer style, it's on. My is on and it's here. So, and I will change the lines. For example, now you can see the lines, it's like this, and I want to change it from the solid, I want to change it, let's say, to the non-brush. It will be better. And I will switch all the lines what I need. And as you can see, we get the lines with all the boundaries of this buildings. If I will switch on my map, I can see exactly what going on here. This is really cool because as you can see, this is not just a picture, this is vector thing. So, and this is time to export to the inside Revit. So actually, before we will start to export, you can change here everything what you want. For example, if you will choose this layer, you can change the type of the line, you can change the color of this line, whatever you want. So just search what you can do here and do it if you need. But let's say I don't need anything, this is what I want, I need just clear plan and that's it. The next stage, what we're gonna do, go to the project, and here you will find import and export. Because in new Revit 2020 we can load PDF now, we can export like PDF, but I prefer actually export like DXF file. So let's export like DXF file first. First, what we're gonna do here, the save as, you just click again on these three dots. Let's find our test topo and we will write like map. So you can make the same name because this is already a different type of the file. This is now DXF, and let's export there and save. As you can see, I just choose only one layer. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say okay, just a few seconds, this is done. You will see it here. So this is complete. Let's go now to the Revit. So we are inside Revit 2020 and go to the insert. We'll find here the link cut and find now our folder. Where is our folder? Test topo here. Let's choose my new file. I will choose only the current view and let's make origin to origin, up to you. Let's say okay. And we see now our DWG file. So don't forget about one thing. Sometimes if you are using default settings, you exporting like inch. Units, it will be like inches. So if you are using the different language, other language, maybe it will be in the meter. Just make sure your file it's not in the inch, because your DWG will be so small. Okay, anyway, now we get, let's check it out. Is it okay, the size? I'll check from this side to this side. We can see this is around 8 meters 4. Let's check it out here. Here it is. And I will use dimension line. Yeah, it's 9 meters, so yes, it's around right. So I believe to this vector than to that images. Okay, so we get our file, everything okay. So what we're gonna do next? Next we can start draw on this file. You can see we can connect to the anything here. So what about PDF? Because before I said about the PDF, let's go to the first level. I will go to the QGis again and let's export like PDF file. Let's go to the project, let's go to the export map to the PDF. And now we can, for example, calculate from the layer from this OSM file. This is this one, OSM file. And now we actually using this canvas will be the same size as this layer. But you can of course draw on the canvas, so like this. You can draw like this. Let's say okay. And now you can use your resolution. Let's say 600 dpi, and the size of your future map. Let's say it will be like 3000 millimeters. So, and if you need, you can make the raster file, a rasterized map. If you want, just click here. So let's save it up. Let's find our test topo, and let's say again map. Again, this is type of the file different. You can save the same name. Let's save it up. Just wait till it's finished. Let's go back to the Revit, insert, and this function working only in new Revit 2020. Don't forget, guys. Let's go to the PDF file, and here is our new map. Let's load it inside to the Revit. I wanna use 600 dpi, and let's load it inside here. Just wait, and let's place it. Of course, it's not will be scaled. It's not will be scaled, don't forget about it. And if you not will switch on the snap to the lines, you cannot do snap to this lines. But if you will switch off, so I mean the switch on, enable snaps, you still able to snap all these lines you can see here. So, but don't forget, guys, this is not the scaled. If you wanna do the scaled, please export like DAXF file. Otherwise, you will get unscaled just PDF file. That's it. But with really high resolution if you need, and with maps. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today, and this is all about the QGis. If you are interested in this program, we will see the next time how you can export, for example, the public transport, roads, maybe the substations, so everything what you want. If you are interested in that, so next time I will do one more tutorial about that. But for today it's finished, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.
To support my channel, you can go to Gumroad, check that my store. There you can find a bundle of this Dynamo scripts, or you can buy 2-story complete house, or even the 2-story residential classic house. By this way you supporting my channel, and you making me happy to creating the new videos for you guys. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video, and give some like, and see you next time.